All right, let's write our very first line of Python, and we're going to use code.org to do it.
So what if you could code in Python right now, like right in your browser, no downloads?
Well, that's what Python Lab is for. It's a spot on code.org made just for that.
And the best part? It's all online. You don't need any complex setup or installations.
Okay, getting started is easy. Just find the New Project button on your dashboard.
Give that a click, and in the drop-down menu, you're going to want to pick Python Lab.
And boom, right away you've got your first big decision to make.
Are you going for a simple text console or something more visual, like the neighborhood?
Let's ease into it. We're going to start with a simple console project. You'll see this classic hello world. So what's up with that text inside the quotes?
Well, in the world of Python, any text like that is just called a string.
And here's the key thing to remember. If it's inside quotes, it's a string. Simple.
A string can be anything, really. A word, a sentence, just one letter, even numbers.
Okay, but why do those quotation marks matter so much? What's the big deal?
It all comes down to one thing, telling Python to do math or just handle text. Check this out. When Python sees numbers without quotes, it does the math. 5 plus 3 is 8.
But with quotes, it's not math. It just smooshes the text together, and you get 53.
So now you know what a string is. The only question is, what's your first message going to be?